Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our tech tips and tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix picture-in-picture or PIP not working on your iPhone in 2024 and how to enable it. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. To do this, go to the settings, then on General, and select software update. If there's an update available, go ahead and download and install it. Now next, let's check if picture-in-picture is enabled. Head back to settings, scroll down and tap on general, then picture-in-picture. Make sure the start PIP automatically toggle is turned on. Not all apps supports picture-in-picture. To check if the app you're using supports PIP, try using a compatible app like Safari, Apple TV or FaceTime. And that's it. Those are the steps to fix picture-in-picture not working on your iPhone and how to enable it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might be having the same issue.